what is the Part 4 FAQ. Now let us go through the question and what is the answer that we can answer for you. So the following question is, my existing flooring is tiles, can the new flooring direct install on top? Okay, for the interlocking type of flooring can be direct installed on existing tiles without removing if the tiles is still in good condition without poke up or broken. For vinyl flooring, it also can be direct installed on top of the existing tiles, but you need to have the gap filling first for each of the tiles to make sure it's even and flat. Then only install the vinyl on top of it. So next questions, if my existing flooring is parquet, but some parts are loose and missing, can I still install the new flooring direct on top, or I need to remove the entire parquet? Okay, you can install the interlocking types of flooring direct on top of your existing parquet if the parquet condition is still good without serious damage. How long it will take for the installation to be completed? Okay, for information, the installation can be done within a day for the area sizes below 500 square feet if there is a bare unit or no any support preparation works are needed. The following question will be, will it be very dusty during the installation? Okay, if you select the vinyl flooring, it's dust free. But if you select the interlocking type of the flooring, dust will be produced during the floorboard cutting times, and our installer will cut the floorboard at your appointed area and clean it up after the installation. Okay, the FAQ for today is come to the end. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.